What's going on, Hangout Gang? Got a video. I did this short yesterday during the daytime around lunchtime, and we're gonna look at the results of the video, the short that I did. 4 hour chart. As you can see, it's starting to pull back again, as it was severely oversold on the RSI. You had a lot of volume came in. That's why you had the run up. It had bull flag, then you had the run up, and then now you have the sell off. Alright, this is the 4 hour chart. Let's go look at the hour chart real quick. So this is the hour chart. And as you can see, price is $25,076. The time is 2:03 p.m. on March the 14th. Just for a timestamp. See, it fell down here to the 21 SMA and then it started getting volume back in. As you can see on the hour chart, the RSI is around 50, so you may see a more green come up. Now, if it breaks through this, ceiling or resistance right here, then, all right. So that was the video I did yesterday around at 2 p.m. yesterday. Okay, and today's time is 5:54, so it's almost 6 a.m. 3:15 on 2023. All right, so here is the chart right here. This is Bitcoin. It's the 4 hour chart. All right, actually, let's start off at that 1 hour chart from the video. And as you can see, you did have it, that little bit of buy up, and before it starts selling off again. Okay, now you have the 21 cross right here. You just have the 50 make a golden cross right here on the hourly. So over time, you're going to see on the hour it's going to go back up, right? The RSI is looking good, so you're getting a little green right here. It came down and touched the 50, right? And it started to getting bought back up. It's not a lot of volume on the hourly, not a lot of selling on the selling pressure or buying pressure as well. All right, let's go look at that 4 hour chart. This is the 4 hour chart. You see the 21 getting ready to cross the 200 right here, right? And it's pulling with it that 50. We need that 50 to cross that 200. So probably sometime towards the end of the week, you're going to see that 50 cross that 200. If that 21 continues to rise, you'll see price action go up closer to touch this right here, to test this 26 again, probably towards maybe, could be today, it could be tomorrow, could be the day after that, but you're going to see it test again, because you can see that 21 is coming back up. Okay, you're starting to see a little bit of volume starting to come in. Not as much selling pressure. The RSI is coming down here. It needs to come down a little bit more for you to get another push, like right here. You need volume to come in as well. Okay, so this is Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the daily. This is what the daily looked like, right? You had 1, 2, 3 wicks of green right here, and it started getting red. Sell off. RSI on the weekly needs to come down a little bit more, and we need to close above this 2300 for the weekly in order for us to keep this momentum going. Okay, all right. So you see right here, you came up on the weekly, came on the daily. I'm sorry, and it touched and came back down, and it is starting to starting in the red right here. So we need it to as long as it stays above here, we're in good shape. As long as it stays above this floor of 23, we're in good shape. Let's go take a look at the weekly now. All right, this is the weekly. As you can see, green wick. One, RSI looking good on the weekly. Got a lot of little buying pressure coming in on the weekly. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum. Let's see here, Ethereum 4 hour chart. As you can see, this is ETH. ETH's current price is at $1,688. As you can see, you had a bunch of little selling pressure and sell off right here, and it's starting to buy up just a little bit. RSI is around 60. Okay, let's see here. You still got an upwards trend. Still got an upward trend line going. Okay, all right. So you may come down and touch this today, 1,650 before bouncing. And as you can see, you got 1, 2 bounces right there. And if it comes down and does it again, I expect for it to do something like this: come down, touch, and then break through. Okay, something along those lines. All right. So we need to see what's going to do. Everything's going to depend on Bitcoin, right? Let's look at the 1 hour chart. As you can see, take that back. As you can see on Ethereum on our chart, you see the 21 cross the 200, and you had that golden cross right there, and price action went up right along with it. And it's see 21 starting to come back down to touch that that starting to come back down, price action with it. Okay, look at that on the daily. As you can see, the daily, you have a upward trend. Okay, so it needs to break through this resistance. To break through this resistance, the next resistance is somewhere around, let me see here, will be somewhere around 2058, something along those lines. But you need Ethereum to break that resistance. So for the traders, you know, you could put in a trade for that and see if it comes down and touch that trend line and bust through that resistance, and then the next resistance would be, you know, 20,017 right in there, 20,036, etc. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart. As you can see, Bitcoin dominance, the money was flowing into Bitcoin. This is the daily chart, the last couple of days. Go take a look at the 4-hour chart. As you can see, you had a little bit of sell off on Bitcoin dominance. And what is this? Oh no, that's Bitcoin. That's Bitcoin dominance right here. I'm sorry. This is the Bitcoin dominance. You see, you had the money flow coming into Bitcoin, leaving the altcoins, and as you can see, you had that sell off, people taking profit, right? And RSI on the dominance is still high, so I suspect it may chop, it may fall a little bit, but pay attention to this right here. You got that cross on the 21, you got the 50 getting ready to cross the 200. So in my opinion, this is not financial advice now, you might see Bitcoin make another run up, especially if this 50 crosses this 200. You might get ready for another you know, run up like per se one of these. Okay, so you know, let's see here. Last time we had that happen, as you can see right here, back in January. Right, back in January. Boom, you see, as you can see, get that cross. This cross first, and you had the run up right here, right? And then it crossed. And then you brought the 50 with it, and then you had a major run up. And you have the same thing here. 21 crossing way ahead, 50 getting ready to cross the 200, and I suspect you'll have a little bit of a run up more on the Bitcoin dominance. All right. Now, this is Crypto Crane, daily technical analysis video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, like, subscribe, leave a comment, tell me what you think. As always, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. And let me know what you think of you know, the video. Let me know what you think in your opinion. Do you think Bitcoin is going to make a little run up again, or you think it's going to fall back and pull back some more? Me personally, I bought some Bitcoin the other day. I'm going to buy some more today or the next pullback. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Peace.